Hey there, beautiful babes. Hey, have you ever looked in the mirror and noticed your skin feeling drier than it used to? Maybe those little fine lines seem a little deeper, or your skin just doesn't have that healthy glow anymore. Well, today I'm sharing one natural skincare ingredient that's been called liquid gold for a reason. And we're talking about argan oil. If you're over 40, over 50, or like me, over 60, this oil may become one of your new skincare favorites. I'm going to share the anti-aging benefits, how I personally use it, and why mature skin absolutely loves it. So let's get into it.
Girl, I missed you. Where you been hiding all this time?
Argan oil comes from the kernels of the argan tree found in Morocco. It has been used for centuries to nourish the skin, hair, and nails. What makes it so special is that it's loaded with nutrients your skin naturally needs. It contains vitamin E, essential fatty acids, omega-6, omega-9, polyphenols, antioxidants. These ingredients help protect your skin while deeply moisturizing it. Here's why I love it. It gives deep hydration. As we age, our skin naturally produces less oils. Argan oil helps restore moisture without making your skin feel greasy. Hydrated skin often looks smoother and healthier. It helps soften fine lines. When your skin is well moisturized, fine lines often become less noticeable. Argan oil doesn't erase wrinkles, but it can help your skin appear plumper and more youthful. Argan oil supports skin elasticity. One thing we lose with age is firmness. The antioxidants and fatty acids help support healthy looking skin and improve overall appearance over time. It brightens dull skin. If your skin looks tired, argan oil helps restore a healthy glow. I especially notice this during the colder months. It helps protect against environmental damage. Every day our skin is exposed to pollution, UV rays, and free radicals. The antioxidants found in argan oil help defend the skin against oxidative stress that contributes to visible signs of aging. It supports the skin barrier. A healthy skin barrier locks in moisture. When that barrier becomes damaged, skin becomes dry and irritated. Argan oil helps support that protective barrier. This is how I use it. In the morning after cleansing, after my serum, I place 2 or 3 drops in my hands, press gently into my skin, then finish with sunscreen. At night, I rotate using argan oil as my last skincare step. It seals in all the moisture from my skincare routine while I sleep. When I wake, my skin feels softer and looks healthier. Let me just share bonus ways I use argan oil on my neck, on my chest, around my cuticles, on dry elbows, on my hands, a little on the ends of my hair, even on my eyebrows. It's truly a multi-purpose beauty oil. Argan oil is especially great if you have dry skin, mature skin, combination skin, sensitive skin, dehydrated skin. If you have oily or acne-prone skin, introduce it gradually and patch test first to see how your skin responds. Argan oil isn't a miracle in a bottle, but it is one of those timeless skincare ingredients that has earned its reputation. The biggest secret isn't using expensive skincare, it's being consistent. Small improvements every day add up over time. If you're looking for softer, healthier looking skin and a beautiful glow, argan oil is definitely worth trying. If you enjoyed today's video, got something out of it, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe and let me know in the comments. Have you ever used argan oil? Until next time, take care of yourself and remember, you're beautiful at every age. Love you, beautiful babes.